So the next card sleeve that we have is the card sleeves from Elite Trainer boxes. So this card sleeve in particular is from the Twilight Masquerade Elite Trainer box, and so Elite Trainer boxes usually come with around 65 card sleeves with a really neat design on the back. Okay, so this is the front of the card sleeve, and then this is the back of the card sleeve. Now if we actually go ahead and insert a card sleeve, or a Pokemon card inside the card sleeve, you can see that, okay, there we go. So this is what it looks like. It's kind of a tight fit, but it does the job at protecting your card, I must say. So you can see this is with the card inside. There is some sort of like light film on top of the card. As you can see here, it has some shine to it compared to just a basic penny sleeve. So let me pull that up. You can see how much clearer this one is compared to this one is. But the difference though is that you can see that when this presses against an object right over here, it does protect the card though. So this is as basic as you can get it. As if you already have an Elite Trainer box, these will do the trick for at least some period of time. There is going to be a bit of an open gap, so dust and debris is going to be able to get in there. But you can see that the edges are pretty sturdy when it comes to actually pressing against corners so that it doesn't damage your card. I do wish that there was a bit more leeway towards the top of the card. And I do wish it kind of sealed closed even smaller. Again, as far as comparison goes, you can see that this is the penny sleeve, and over here we have the Elite Trainer box penny sleeve. But this one here, it does bend, so you are going to risk hitting the corners of your card, whereas this one, you're not really going to. Now, one thing I also want to go over is how easy it is to take the card out, just in case. So it's pretty easy with these Elite Trainer box card sleeves, but it does feel kind of tight when you're actually putting it inside. So as you can see there, and it's not the ultra clearest when it comes to actually sleeving these cards. So this to me is crystal clear. Practically, it looks like almost the sleeve isn't there. And this one just has a little shine to it. With the back, it is covered. Now, one thing I would point out is, would I feel comfortable if my card was inside of this card sleeve? I actually would. It protects the corners. You can see right there. So these are pretty useful when it comes to actually protecting your cards if you have nothing else. But let's go ahead and move on to the next card sleeve.